Students, this is Mitch Guzzi here. We're going to talk about triangles today, but not about similarity. We're going to talk about the angles inside. And once we talk about a triangle, then we can add it up to all the polygons. Okay, so triangles have angles that add to 180. How do we know this? Well, there's a formal proof and there's what we call informal proof. So there's 3 angles in a triangle. Let me make a smaller one. Choose this one. And here's what we're going to do. We're going to take our triangle here, and what we're going to do is show that they're 180. How am I going to do that? I'm going to tear off this corner. There's one corner. I'll put it over here. I'm going to tear off this corner. Okay, so I tore off these corners. Now, let's use the straight sides and show the straight sides add up to 180. So I'm going to rearrange these. I'm going to take this one and turn it a little bit and put it this way. I'm going to line up the straight side with the straight side. The same thing here. I'm going to rotate. Come on, rotate. Come on. There we go. There we go. Okay. I'm going to put them all the straight sides together. And if you take a look, right there, that makes a perfect bottom line that is totally flat. Alright. So I'm going to take my old Independence ID here, like I always tell you guys, use your ID card and stuff like that. This should be a straight line. Okay. And so what we have is we have the 3 angles. Let me just draw them right here. Okay, so we have 3 angles like that, like that, like that. How do I know they're 180? Well, a straight line is always 180 degrees. All 3 of these angles together make 180. Now, what if you didn't agree that a straight line is 180? Well, let's back that up. Let's start with a circle. A circle is 360 degrees. That's where we start from. Okay, if you agree with that, then halfway around the circle would have to be 180. And half of that, oh, that's crappy. Half of that is 90. I made a really bad 90 right there. I don't know why I didn't just draw it straight. Here we go. I could do this better. There you go. That is a perfect 90. Alright, that looks better. This thing looks garbage. Okay, so you can see that the 3 angles together do make 180. Now, that is true no matter what size triangle you start with. If I start with this size or whatever size, it will make a perfect 180. All right. And just to prove that to you, I want to show you one more triangle. All right. Yep. It's up. There we go. Let's take a weird triangle like this. It's not a right triangle. It's not anything special. It's just any old random triangle. But again, let's tear off the sides. And if you do this at home, the main thing you want to do is when you tear them off, you line up the straight sides. So straight sides, straight sides. Now we got that. And then this fits perfectly in there. What I mean is this flat edge with that flat edge. And no matter what triangle you start with, you will always get that. You'll always get a perfect straight line at the bottom, which means these 3 must have been 180 degrees. So triangles are always 180 degrees. There you go. That is your informal proof. Thanks for watching.